Hello, Rod Clouser here with the Howard Company. Say, we get a lot of questions on what conduits we should use when we're prepping for a drive-through menu board. With our Flex drive-through menu board, it gives you the option to be full static, full digital, or a hybrid menu board, meaning partially static and partially digital. Along with that, if you do start static, you can change this menu board in the field to digital without having to change the whole menu board structure. So what conduit should you use right up front? At minimum, you should put two 1-inch conduits. These two conduits would have electrical in each conduit and one 2-inch conduit that all the cat cable would run through that conduit. Why run two electric conduits? Well, this gives you the option that if you're going to change the full static board to a hybrid board, meaning you're going to have at least one digital screen or more, then you need separate electric going to the static portion of the board and the digital portion of the board. So it's cheaper when you're doing all the trenching and conduits right up front, even if you're purchasing a full static board. At minimum, put these three conduits in, two 1-inch and one 2-inch. If you're going full digital right away and having communication, meaning speaker and mic and headset with your menu board and the loop for your menu board, you do need a few other things to add to that. In addition to those two 1-inch conduits for electric and the 2-inch conduit for Cat 6 cable, you need an additional conduit at 1.5-inch for all the communication wire, headset, speaker, and mic, all that cable to go through. And then you need one additional 1-inch conduit where the loop wire from the ground loop that's in front of the menu board that goes through the curb, and then that hooks up to all these wires, and that gets pulled back with this 1.5-inch conduit run with all those cables. So at minimum, you want to do this type of setup. It really makes it wise for you to just do a full digital setup when you're putting even your static menu board in, because in the future, if you decide to move this board to full digital, you have all the conduits in place, and there is no additional trench work, cutting up conduit or asphalt to get that work done. All that work has been done up front. If you have any questions, feel free to call the Howard Company. We're here for you to help. Take a look at our website as well, www.howardcompany.com, and we look forward to working with you in the future. Thanks a lot. You have a great day. Bye-bye.